Imagine opening your banking app, expecting to see another ordinary balance. But today, the screen shows something impossible. $500 million. No lottery, no inheritance. Every dollar was earned through years of patient investing. And yet, nobody around you has any idea. People walk past you without a second glance. They don't see a billionaire mindset hidden behind ordinary clothes. That's because true wealth doesn't need attention. The loudest people in the room are rarely the richest. You shop like everyone else. No designer bags, no expensive jewelry, just groceries for the week. While others chase status, you quietly protect something far more valuable: your financial freedom. Every morning starts the same: coffee, news, market updates. While the world chases quick money, your investments continue working in silence. Money has become your employee, not your goal. But it wasn't always like this. Years ago, you started with almost nothing. One paycheck, one investment, then another. You understood a simple truth: small amounts invested consistently can grow into extraordinary wealth. Markets crashed. Headlines spread fear. Friends sold everything in panic. But you stayed calm. History had already taught you that every crash eventually becomes another opportunity for patient investors. Over time, your money spread across stocks, real estate, businesses, and dividend investments. Instead of relying on one income, you built several streams that worked together like a machine that never sleeps. As your fortune grew, so did your responsibility. Wealth isn't just about making money, it's about protecting it. Diversification, long-term planning, and smart decisions became your greatest assets. Your friends proudly arrive in luxury cars. You quietly drive the same reliable vehicle you've owned for years. They think you're being cheap. You know you're buying something far more valuable: time and freedom. Home isn't a mansion, it's simply where you feel comfortable. You learn that expensive lifestyles create expensive problems. Real wealth isn't measured by what people see. It's measured by the choices you never have to make. Friends treat you exactly the same. They joke, laugh, and complain about work. They never realize that you could retire tomorrow if you wanted. Sometimes, the greatest luxury is being underestimated. Around the dinner table, nothing changes. Family doesn't know the numbers sitting quietly inside your investment accounts. And that's exactly how you prefer it. Peace is worth more than attention. Compare two lives. One spends everything to look successful. The other quietly invests while nobody is watching. Years later, one owns liabilities. The other owns assets that generate income every single day. This is the power of compound interest. Like planting a tiny seed that slowly becomes a massive tree, every investment grows stronger with time. The secret isn't speed, it's patience. While you sleep, businesses earn profits, properties collect rent, dividends arrive, index funds continue growing, the world keeps working. And so does your money. You realize something important. The goal was never becoming rich. The goal was becoming free. Freedom to choose your time. Freedom to help others. Freedom to live life on your own terms. The wealthiest people often don't look wealthy at all. If this documentary changed the way you think about money, investing, and financial freedom, hit subscribe and join us for more powerful business stories told through cinematic stick figure animations. Your next investment lesson could be the one that changes your future.